Hey guys, today I've got an unboxing for you. Today it's another Fitbit. Today I am going to be unboxing the Fitbit Inspire. This is just your standard Fitbit Inspire. So Melissa's actually getting this to replace her Fitbit Zip because it's time for an upgrade. She does not like to wear them on the wrist, so she got a waistband clip-on thing so she can wear it on her waist just like the Fitbit Zip. All of the links for these products will be down in the description below, so make sure you check those out. And if you do buy something from there, it supports the channel. We appreciate it. But let's get started with this unboxing. Alright, so as always, we're going to look at the packaging first. Fitness tracker, Fitbit Inspire fitness tracker. Comes with your small and large bands all in one. On the side it tells you what's included. Small and large wristbands. They generally, well, maybe they stopped. They used to have like a measurement where you'd put your wrist on it and see if you would fit or not. So a little bit about this, it's swim proof, which is great. Offers sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, so if you get a text message or a phone call, it'll show up on your Fitbit. I don't believe that you can reply to them on this device though, but you can at least like see that someone's calling and take a quick look at your wrist and see if you want to talk to them or not. Battery life is up to 5 days depending on how much you use it. I will say that Fitbits generally do last pretty long and they're pretty close to what they say, maybe even better. So this will track your steps, I'm reading up here, distance and calories burned, swim proof, has smart track, automatic exercise tracking. That's a great feature that Fitbit has. So if you start working out on a treadmill, an elliptical, you go on a run, you go on a walk, you can trust that Fitbit will know that you did that workout, and when you pull up your app later on, it'll show that workout. It'll say like, I did like a 15-minute elliptical one time with a Fitbit on, and when I went to sync it that night, it showed that I did that exact exercise. If it's ever wrong, you can go in and adjust, but it's pretty accurate. It has interchangeable bands, which are sold separately, so you can get yourself all styled up to 5 days battery life and basic sleep tracking. So let's get this started here. And obviously, when you have a Fitbit, you're a happier person. Look how happy they are. Has this really been in there the whole time? Okay. So there's the little tabby doohickey down here, so we're gonna pull on that guy. Ooh, another tabby doohickey. I'll pull on that guy. And there it is, the Fitbit Inspire. So I like the packaging. It's easy to understand, easy to use. It tells you right here to start, download the Fitbit app, which we already have, so that's pretty easy. The band itself is really small, which I like. So here's the band. Try to get this thing to focus, like trying to cure cancer. There it is. And I believe that, they have the same, let me show you. So on my Fitbit Versa video, which I can link down below if you want to watch that, they have these awful band replacement things where you have to like pull on this metal. Okay, we ran out of space on the memory card. But it has these, like, if you look here, it has these awful little band thingies. So see these little metal clips? Super annoying to try to change the bands. Maybe this one's easier, but the Versa, one of my least favorite parts about that was the band changing. But it is nice that you can change the band. This one already feels like it's a little bit easier. So this is the actual device. And little known fact, the Fitbit Inspire and the Fitbit Ace 2, which we unboxed as well, which is honestly like one of the best videos on my channel right now. So if you want to watch that one, check it out in the iCard or down at the link below. This is the exact same device. They literally just software lock things on the kids version, which is good because they're kids, but price-wise they're about the same. This is going to give you a little bit more features. I don't believe it has a way to track stairs that have been climbed. Let's see. It doesn't look like it. No, but that's fine. Inside of here you're going to have, obviously, Fitbit has, oh, well, now here's something that's nice. This is the same charger as the Fitbit Ace 2. This is the first Fitbit product I have ever seen that has a consistent charger, so that's nice. So if we lose one of them, then we have an extra. That's cool. And then all this, like, literally, like, safety instructions. Why? No one reads that. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for the unboxing. If you want to see a setup video, I figure you can look that up yourself or go watch any other Fitbit setup that we have on our channel. It's pretty simple. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And then also make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you get notified when we post a new video. We do vlogs and travel videos and other unboxings. I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 next, so look for that on the channel soon. If not, it should be there already, and you can check that out in the end screen right here. And remember, subscribe by clicking right there. Thanks.